it's Heather's Plushies. I'm back with another video. I have an unboxing of some things that I bought from my friend Ashley. So pick them out of the box. And these aren't all plushies, but sorry about that. So we've got, oh, this is heavy. A shark pencil box, but I'm putting my receipts in it because I need to start keeping my receipts and I need something to put them in. Here is Spirit. So now I have a second Spirit, and I wanted one. I thought that it would be nice to have one with his hair cut short so I can recreate the get off my back scene. Blusha. They got 2 plushies to sell. To resell. I don't know his name, but he's from Teen Titans Go. And I got a Build-A-Bear that's unstuffed to resell. A pink kitty. So yeah, that is what I got. So, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.